trying something different. Welcome back to Life with Shelley, and today I'm going to be trying something different. I found this just before Christmas, but I'm only just getting around to having it. It's a pot noodle, doner kebab style. So let's go try it. So, the pot noodle is ready to eat. I got a couple of bits of bread to dip in as well. Let's have a try of this. That's not bad. It actually tastes really nice. I didn't think that was going to be great. A doner kebab pot noodle, but I really liked it. I'll give that a 7 out of 10 and probably buy that again. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, trying something new. I'm going to go and enjoy the rest of that doner kebab pot noodle. Catch you later.